If you're a fan of water wave crochet hair, then you are on the right channel because I'm a big fan and you're going to be seeing a lot of videos on this, like, because I do this almost every other month, I think. So I do have a lot of tutorials on these. One of the reasons why I like this hair is because it's easy to install, it's lightweight, is affordable. I think I pay like between $25 to $30 per pack, and it comes like 6 or 8 in the pack, and each pack has like 14 to 16 pieces in there. So when I start this, I use like 4 to 5 pack. If I want it to be lightweight, I use 4. If I want it to look a little bulky, I go in 5. And one of the reasons why I also like this hair, there's so many reasons I can say. It's like less tension on my scalp, right? So there's nothing like, pulling my edges down. It's just easy to go in and then easy to take out. I just usually take the scissors and get it out of my hair, and really don't get that all quickly, because when I put it on, like, I can even go for it with a month, and sometimes I just do 2 weeks because that's how long I like hair staying on my hair. But I can go for a month and it will still be nice. You just have to do a little bit of trimming here and there every now and then, but it doesn't shed. That's one thing, like it wouldn't shed like for it to be coming off your hair. You have to take the scissors and just take out the frizzy ones, but it's always shiny and bouncy. And so once I braid my hair, which is my favorite side part or middle part, my braiding pattern, and then I go in there with my crochet. It's my go-to look when I don't know what to do with my hair, especially if I don't want to just wear my natural hair. And then I install it and then trim it, and this is the end of it. It's usually a quick install for me because any way you braid your hair under there, it's going to come out right, So this is the end, and you can see the part look invisible because I made it. So let me know if you want to see a tutorial in a comment.